I'm starting with this model right here. The full name is the URBANO KYY23. It comes in various colors. This one is the green model. So I've already charged it and I've loaded it up. So as you can see, I've already pre-installed the For You app and I've installed a file manager here. I haven't actually logged in to a Google account, so I can't use the Google Play Store, which means I installed these directly from the APKs. It is a fairly large phone, but what I like about it, it has physical buttons at the bottom. So it has a home button, the back button, and the menu option. And they're actually like physical buttons you can click, which I really like. But the color is pretty cool. And it has a camera button here. This is the power button, and then this is the up and down for volume. Up here again, we've got the charging port, which is another normal mini USB. The headphone jack. Here is where you can put in some SD card. If you want to put in extra storage, you can. Let's look at the File Explorer. You can use any File Explorer you want. I'm just using this one for example. Go ahead and go to the internal storage, and then find the pictures, which is where I've loaded them. The IDL, that's what I'm using. Let's do this because it's almost the right holiday. So you can see a little preview here, which I like because you can see a small version of the items and a bigger one at the bottom, which is nice for browsing. Then go ahead and go up to this little three dot icon, go to share. Here, choose Infrared Com. Com stands for communication. Go ahead and choose that. Choose the download option and put it up here. You can see it says sending, and it has successfully sent. It automatically exits infrared once it's done. On the back, you can see it's very faint. It's hard to capture on camera, but there is the NFC logo down here towards the bottom. This means this is the area you need to aim for when you connect your For You. Let's go ahead and test, make sure it's the right format and that the NFC is on. So open the screen on both. Just go ahead and touch your Tama back there. Touch. So you see that the NFC is on. It's an easy way to test. Got the random animation. So everything loads here. Let's go ahead and try sending. Let's send this fluffy dandelion. Okay, so I chose the item I want to send. I'm going to go to my download. Go to the For You apply. And then it's ready. So I'm going to try this one by setting it down on my table and pushing the For You download and then kind of balancing it. Here is my NFC area, so it's a little bit low, but let's try it. Okay. It looks like this and I'm balancing it. Looks like it failed. I wobbled a bit too much. Oh. When the image gets small, it means you can send. Go ahead and push it. Wait. Oh, it worked. So that worked no problem. Let's try holding it in my hand and see if that's a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and send. I'll send this flying broom. Okay. Holding it in your hand. So that worked easily too. You just have to make sure you're lining things up properly and it works just fine.